Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome to Coder Station. In today's video, we are going to see what is the Python list and we will understand how to access the elements in a list. So, let me introduce you the topic list. So, what is list? The list is a type of data structure in a Python that is used to store multiple items under a single variable name, just like an array. But list has its own features, that is, it is order, it is changeable, and it also allows duplicate values, and also it is mutable, that is none other than changeable. List is ordered in the sense that every item stored in the list follows a particular order. You can't break that order. Whenever you want to add a new element in the list, the element is added at the last index of the list, and the duplicate values can also be stored in the list. A list is a type of data structure in which you can store the data of multiple data types, that is string, um, number, integer, etc. So, how to access an element in the list? Accessing an element in the list can be done in two ways. That is, from our normal indexing method, that is, the index starts from 0 to the length of the list, that is n minus 1. Suppose I have 5 elements of the list, so the index will start from 0 and n minus 1 will be 4, that is, index will be from 0 to 4 and it will have 5 elements in the list, and the negative indexing is used like -1, -2, -3 and so on. So now we will see how to create a list and how to access the elements in a list in different ways. So creating list in Python is very easy. You have to name your list just like you name your variables, and then you have to store the items in and square brackets. Let me give you a quick example. Let us make a list name as coders, and in square brackets we will write the items we want to store. It can be integer, it can be float numbers, or it can also be strings. And we will also try to store a boolean value, which is possible in a string. Now, if you want to print this string, you have to simply write print and the name of your list, that is coders. Now, when we run this program, we will get the particular needed string we wanted. So, these numbers are in the form of integer, float, this is a string, and this is a boolean value. So, now we will see how to access the elements in a list. Accessing elements in a list is done in two ways, that is indexing and negative indexing. So indexing is just like our normal indexing where you have to give the number of a particular index or range of a particular index where we want to print the elements. And in negative indexing, what happens is that it starts from -1, that is last element, followed by -2, second last element, and so on. Now we will see what is indexing. So to print the values by indexing, you have to give a square bracket and then write the index of the item you want to print. Suppose I want to print the string, then the word string, then I will write the index as 3 because it is located at index 3. When I run the program, I am getting the output as string. Similarly, suppose I want to print the number 3 by negative indexing. So by negative indexing, 3 is located at -3 position. So when I put -3, I am getting the output as 3.0. Now, the another way to access the list is in range. So when you give a range of the list, suppose I want to access only first 3 elements of the list, so I'll give the index as 0, 1, 2, 3. Because when you give a range like this, the last number, that is 3, gets minus by 1, uh, and then to get the output as 1 2 3. Now I want to print the element from, let's say, 3 to last. Then what I'll do is that 2 to I'll write 5, because in the range you know that 5 will become minus 1, that is n minus 1, and when you print this program you are getting the output as 3 string and true. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and for any of your queries please contact me in the comment box. Thank you.